All right, and you made it to 4. So 4, I think most of you are done or close to done. So please just confirm that or finish up. Again, you're not going to be able to go into the print shop today without me, but we will just do that on Wednesday. So the hope or the expectation is, at the very least, this poster gets done and we're ready to work in the other room. If you're ready to move on, move on. If you're not ready to move on, make sure at least 1 through 4 gets completed. Uh, for at least the first half of class, you shouldn't need much more than that. So again, oh, why is Illustrator? Oh, my Illustrator updated. Awesome. All right, so we'll look at Sonia's example real quick. And you can see it's probably hard to see. And the reason is because she nailed it. She has a black stroke that is 0.001, and that means it's ready for the laser. But let me just change it real quick. So make sure that you have created a inspirational poster that has some good typography like this one. Make sure that you have created outlines and make sure you have saved your islands. Now remember, to save islands, all you need to do is get your rectangle tool and draw a rectangle through the letters. Couple issues some of you are having. Make sure you have created the outlines, and then after you've created outlines, make sure it's ungrouped. Right mouse click, ungroup, click off of it, click on it again, make sure it's ungrouped. You may have to do it twice, especially for something like this where I know you didn't just make a text box. You use that warp tool. You have to go up here to object, expand, and then you need to ungroup it, not once, but twice. You guys are working great as a class. If you are confused, ask someone who has already done this, and they will be more than happy to help you. But the expectation is this is done probably in the first half of class. It is turned into outlines. It's got all the islands saved using the Pathfinder tool, the minus front, the second one, and you've turned this into 0.001. And again, when I see you Wednesday, we'll spend the class making these two things. So go ahead, finish that up, make sure it's saved, and hit turn in a number 4 and go to number 5.